To create private safe in Honor 600 Pro, first of all, let's open settings on our device. Next step is to navigate to security and privacy, and then we can scroll all the way down and select device and data protection. Here you'll be able to find the safe, and if you click on it, you'll be able to enable it. Now we need to pick a storage source, so in this case I'm going to create it in my phone storage. And then you can create a password that you're going to use to access the safe. So I'm going to go for a simple password like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And the same right here. It should also include at least one English letter, in this case A. Let's go with that. And then we can move to the next step. And here there's security question that will help you recover the password in case that you forget it. So I'm gonna go with ZG and whatever thing we want right here, because I'm not gonna forget that password. When we have the security questions set up, we can click on done and our private safe is created. You can click on any of the categories right here to preview the files or add them. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.